Okay, great. Moving quickly. Is there, जिसका भी नाम is on the screen, any of these students are there in the class? Any one of those whose name is on the screen? I know about Sadhna, except Sadhna, और कोई है जिसका नाम यहाँ पे है? No? Okay, these are those students who haven't attended my classes last week. So if your friend's name is in the list, please check and remind them to start attending classes. Okay, great. I am moving forward. I'm sure you have your notebooks and books ready. We will quickly start with our daily grounding activity, wherein I'll invite Riya herself. Riya, please, is bari thoda elaborate meditation you'll take. Ask them to sit straight. Everybody sit straight, and Riya will take over.
Okay.
Yeah. You can start, Riya.
Straight.
We'll all sit straight, we'll all close our eyes. And today in the grounding activity, we'll just reflect on one question. Who am I, right? Everybody is different. Everybody is unique. There are certain things that make you different from others. है ना? Like some of you might have very long hairs and very beautiful hairs. Some of you might be very good in singing. Some of you are good at drawing. Some of you are good at cooking. All of us may have something that is different that defines us. Okay, some of you might be very good at dancing. So some of you might be very good at speaking with people, or just handwriting. It could be anything. बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकती हैं. But each one of us has something which is unique, which is different from others. Not everybody has those things as you have it. So we will focus and we'll try to think of who am I, what makes me different from others, what are the qualities that I have. Okay. So please close your eyes, Ashwini. It would be great if you can please focus, concentrate, and think of things that make you different from others. Okay. Things that make you who you are. Breathe in, breathe out. If you cannot concentrate or cannot focus on kya sochu, then do nothing. Just breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. When you breathe out, you can breathe out using your mouth as well. That is more relaxing. Saans lo and muh se chodo. So that is more relaxing. And then quickly start coming back. Dheere dheere you can open your eyes. Yes. Good. I like how Prachi did it. Okay. ऐसे करने से when you rub your hands and keep it on your eyes, it relaxes you even more. Right? Okay. Great. We will quickly move forward. Any one of you would like to share the news for the day? Can quickly raise your hand if you have the news for the day. Somebody except Krishna at times. Okay, yes, Prachi. You can unmute yourself.
No, Didi. Sadhna is come. She is telling मेरा नाम लिख.
Okay, ठीक है. Yes, Dhanshri.
Didi, in Solapur, the dam has been full and the water came in the villages.
Right. Okay. There is a lot of rainfall going on in Maharashtra. More than 140 people have lost their lives as well because of the flash floods that has come. हमने rivers में dams बनाए थे. Dams बनते हैं to store water so that water और irrigation का जो काम है वो fulfill हो सके लोगों के लिए. But when जब बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है तो वो डैम फुल हो जाते हैं and then you have to open the dams. और जब हम ये dams open करते हैं तो पानी बहुत ज़्यादा बहता है और वो सिटीज में चला जाता है, जैसे अभी हो रहा है, राइट? और बारिश भी बहुत हो रही है. सो दिस इज नाउ हु विल टेल मी कि फ्लड्स, ये जो बारिश हो रही है फ्लड्स है, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ कैलामिटी और डिजास्टर दिस इज इट अ मैन मेड डिजास्टर और अ नेचुरल डिजास्टर? मोहम्मद, इज दिस अ मैन मेड? दिस इज अ मैन मेड डिजास्टर. बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होना, बहुत ज्यादा बारिश, बहुत ज्यादा बारिश मैन मेड डिजास्टर है?
Yes, Didi.
कैसे?
Didi, it is a man-made disaster.
How are you saying that it is a man made disaster, Mohammed? Why it is a man made disaster?
Didi, because rain is so much coming now
हाँ, पर बारिश
that
तो अपने आप हो रही है, बारिश तो इंसान नहीं करा सकता ना मोहम्मद, या इंसान की गलती? यस,
किसान को चाहिए ना बारिश.
राइट, किसान को बारिश चाहिए, पर मैन मेड डिजास्टर ये इसीलिए नहीं है क्योंकि बारिश इंसानों के हाथ में नहीं है, राइट? बारिश इंसानों की वजह से नहीं हो रही है, बारिश नेचुरल फिनोमेना है, राइट? नेचुरली इट इज हैपनिंग. So it is a natural disaster when floods come, when there is a huge rainfall, landslides. ये सब natural disaster है. Though the reason for these natural disasters can be humans, right? हम हमारी गलतियों की वजह से ये disaster आ सकता है, but ये अपने आप ही होता है, right? This is not in your hands. You cannot stop rains, right? लेकिन मैंने एक न्यूज शेयर की थी थोड़े दिन पहले ऑन द ग्रुप दैट वन कंट्री डिड समथिंग जिससे वहां पे बारिश हो जाए. डिड एनीबडी रीड दैट न्यूज? There is one country in the world who made artificial rains, sorry, not artificial rains, who made rains come down. Yes, Dhanshri.
Didi, in Dubai,
Yeah.
in Dubai, you said that there is one machine who makes the rain for their heat. मतलब गर्मी को थोड़ा कम करने वहाँ रेन कर लेते हैं वो दुबई में.
Right. Great. Thank you, Dhanshri, for reading that news. I shared this news. Dubai is a country. Dubai is a place. It is not a country. UAE is the country. So वहाँ पे बहुत गर्मी होती है. It is mostly a desert. बहुत गर्मी होती है. दो वहाँ पे समुद्र है, but गर्मी बहुत होती है, right? तो उस गर्मी को कॉम्बैट करने के लिए, और वहाँ बारिश कम होती है, काफी कम होती है, तो इन लोगों ने क्लाउड सीडिंग करके एक टेक्नोलॉजी यूज की, जिससे उन्होंने ड्रोन्स की हेल्प से क्लाउड्स में करंट पहुंचाया और फिर उससे बारिश हुई, राइट? तो उन्होंने एक तरीके से बारिश करवाई, राइट? अपने आप नहीं हो रही थी, बट यूजिंग सर्टन टेक्नोलॉजी दे मेड रेनफॉल, और अभी दुबई में फिर बारिश हुई, ठीक है? सो दिस मेथड इज कॉल्ड क्लाउड सीडिंग. Okay, that was very interesting, and that is why I shared it with you. Thank you guys for sharing the news for the day. Keep reading such news. It helps you gain knowledge. Okay, so we'll quickly move forward with the quote of the day, and I will invite Manjushri. Please read. Can you read us the quote for the day, Manjushri?
Yes, Didi. Setting goals is the first step in bringing the invisible into the visible.
Right. Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Who can tell me the meaning of this quote? Manjushri, would you like to try? क्या मतलब होगा इस quote का?
To train, Didi, let me think.
Yeah, please, no problem. Anybody else who would like to explain the meaning of this quote? Ayan, would you like to give it a try?
Didi,
Who is this?
Didi,
हाँ बेटा.
Didi, you.
तो श्रुति, मैंने तुम्हें अनम्यूट कर दिया. नो प्रॉब्लम. थैंक यू फॉर इन्फॉर्मिंग. Ayan, would you like to try? Also,
Yes,
those
Didi.
would you like to try and explain the meaning of the quote to the class?
Okay, Didi. The meaning is setting goals in the first step means first step. अभी हम पहले goals share करेंगे हमारे and then in turning to the invisible into the visible. मतलब दीदी जो हमें नहीं मालूम है ना उसको भी हम पता करेंगे.
Okay, tell me what is the meaning of the word invisible?
Invisible मतलब जो नहीं दिखता है.
राइट, विजिबल इज जो तुम्हें दिखाई दे रहा है, इनविजिबल मतलब जो नहीं दिखता है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू न्यू द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड इनविजिबल? पहले से कितने लोगों को इनविजिबल का मतलब पता था इन द क्लास? गिव मी अ थम्स अप इफ यू न्यू द मीनिंग ऑफ इनविजिबल. ओके, great. So I can see 6, 7, 8. Okay, 10 of you might be knowing the meaning. Rest जिन्हें meaning नहीं पता था, please write it down somewhere. Invisible मतलब जो नहीं दिखाई देता, जो नहीं देख सकते. Okay, so setting goals मतलब goal set करना is the first step. किस चीज का first step है? To turn things that are invisible into visible. जो चीज हमें दिखाई नहीं देती, जो फ्यूचर हम देख नहीं सकते, उस फ्यूचर को देखने के लिए, उस फ्यूचर को रियलाइज करने के लिए the first step is setting goals. Okay, great. Thank you so much, Ayan. Now, before we move forward to the C that you will choose for the day, I want one of you to volunteer. Raise your hand and tell me all the 8 C's. Who can tell me all the 8 C's that we have been discussing since last week? All the 8 C's. कौन से C's हैं that we are discussing since last week? Who can tell me? I see 3 hand raised. Yes, Shruti?
दीदी
Hmm.
courage
Yes.
and
Shruti, think. Okay, think and recall all the 8 C's. Okay, so Ragni and others as well. If you want, you can switch off your videos. Videos on करने से bandwidth ज़्यादा use होता है, data सबका use होता है. So you all can switch off your videos so that मेरी आवाज़ भी clearly आए. But those who want to keep it on can keep it on. ठीक है? Okay, I'll give it to Krishna. Krishna, yes. 8 C's.
the 8 C's are compassion, courage, curiosity, conclusiveness, collaboration, communication, and creativity, critical thinking.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Krishna, for remembering them. There are 8 C's. Why are these 8 C's important? क्या मतलब है इन 8 C's का? Who can tell me the importance of these 8 C's? Who in the class can tell me why these 8 C's are important? Why are we studying these? Or why we keep focusing on them? Yeah, Shruti?
Didi, when we become a monitor or leader, we want to take this C's in our mind and do
Great.
like this, and these qualities.
Amazing, amazing, great. Thank you so much, Shruti. So these 8 C's are the qualities that a leader must possess. ठीक है, कोई भी leader को ये 8 C's होना जरूरी है. These are 21st century skills that we call. तो अगर कोई लीडर कहता है अपने आप को, तो उस लीडर में ये क्वालिटीज आप देख सकते हो. या कोई लीडर है या नहीं, वो आप कैसे पहचान सकते हो? अगर उनमें ये 8 C's हैं. ठीक है. So the 8 C's are compassion, मतलब self care, caring for others, self care and is included in it. Curiosity means they keep thinking, they are curious about कोई भी चीज हो रही है तो क्यों हो रही है. They keep asking questions. Courage, they do not fear of the things that they don't know. They have the courage to stand out, to fight for themselves and for their team. Consciousness means they are aware. They are very aware individuals. Creativity, we all know, they are very creative in their approaches. नए नए तरीके वो ढूंढ लेते हैं, फंस नहीं जाते हैं कहीं. अगर कुछ चीज नहीं हो रही है तो नए तरीके ढूंढते हैं, नए तरीके से करने की कोशिश करते हैं. Critical thinking, we all know what is critical thinking. They think very critically, very logically. They are good in communication, and collaboration is the teamwork basically, right? एक साथ मिलके काम करते हैं. Okay. Now collaboration का कि हम हर एक C के बारे में definitely और डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. But for now, choose the C with which you want to operate today. Please type on the chat box which C you would want to operate with today in today's class, and then I'll ask one of you to explain me why you want to operate with that C. Okay. So Krishna, Ayan, thank you for starting us off. Waiting for others to also respond. Which C do you want to operate with in the class? Thank you, Dhanshri. Sumit, would you like to come off mute and tell me which C you would want to operate with and why?
Yes, Didi.
Hmm?
Uh, I will choose collaboration
And why collaboration, Sumit?
to study together.
Okay, so you want to study together as a class and Sumit wants to collaborate. So I hope that Sumit participates more in the class, collaborating with others, sharing his learning with others as well. Okay, great. Thank you, Vinaya, Fiza, Dhanshri, Manjushri, Sumit, Shruti, Prachi, Samir, Ashwini, Mohammed, waiting for you all, Ria, Zoya, Mahim, Aryan. Please type on the chat box which C you want to operate with in the class today. And we'll be very quick. Mau, Piyush, type on the chat box. Ashwini, please check the spelling of the word again from the screen and type it properly. Ankita, Minoli, type on the chat box, guys. Take 30 more seconds to quickly do that. Okay, thank you, Ria. Okay, thank you, Saragni. Thank you, Mau. Moving on with the class. So a class will be divided into two parts. In one part, we'll be doing the SEL activity and the goal setting that we used to do. And in the other part, we'll be completing the history topic that we studied in the part 2 or day 2 of your self-learning package. Okay, so we will quickly start with part 1 and we'll try to do it as quickly as possible. For this part, I would request you all to quickly bring your SEL notebooks, जहाँ पे हम goal setting का लिखते थे. Bring those notebooks and colors very quickly if you don't have it in 30 seconds, and then we will start with the activity. Once you are done, I would want you all to switch on your videos as well, so that we all can see what we are doing. Okay, तो जल्दी से colors notebooks लेकर आओ and अपना video switch on karo so that we all can see each other while we are doing this. Prachi, Sadhna, you have your notebooks, right? Colors and notebooks. All of you. And all of you will switch on your videos for some time only. Okay? Okay. I know Krishna cannot do it because Krishna is outside. Rest all of you, I would want you all to switch on your videos. I'll give you 30 seconds.
कि अकाउंट पे हमारे साइन की वजह से कुछ होता नहीं है, like that only over here.
Okay, so Ashwini says कि those who don't know to sign, they take the fingerprint या thumbprint उनका लेते हैं. Anybody else would want to add to what Ashwini says? She is correct. Okay, जिससे sign वाइन नहीं होता, कभी-कभी जिनसे sign होता है उनका भी लेते हैं, right? But क्यों fingerprint लेते हैं? क्या उसका खासियत होता है? Yes, मोहम्मद.
दीदी उससे ना अपन को अच्छी हैंडराइटिंग भी आती है और दीदी वर्ड अच्छे से पढ़ के भी आता.
फिंगरप्रिंट में क्या कुछ लिखा होता है जो पढ़ के आता है बेटा? अंगूठा लगाते हैं तो उसमें क्या लिखा हुआ आता है?
दीदी अंगूठे में नहीं लिखा हुआ आता, जब फिंगरप्रिंट करते ना.
हाँ, तो फिंगरप्रिंट का मतलब होता है अंगूठा लगाना या फिंगरप्रिंट देना, अपना लगाना, स्टैंप में लेके लगाते हैं ना, वो पूछ रही हूँ मैं.
Yes,
वो क्यों यूज करते हैं? I'll take yes, Ayan, quickly tell us क्यों करते हैं?
Yes, दीदी, for our security, दीदी.
Okay, security reasons, authenticity. Thank you, Ayan. Thank you, Krishna. Krishna types that fingerprints never change. The fact is कि जैसे सिग्नेचर ऑथेंटिकेट करता है कि ये आपने रीड कर लिया, ये आपका ही समझ गए हो और आप अपनी इच्छा से कुछ चीज कर रहे हो. फिंगरप्रिंट्स ऑथेंटिकेट करते हैं डॉक्यूमेंट्स को. फिंगरप्रिंट्स हर इंसान के यूनिक होते हैं. किन्हीं भी दो लोगों के फिंगरप्रिंट्स सेम नहीं हो सकते. ठीक है, किसी भी दो लोगों के फिंगरप्रिंट्स कभी भी सेम नहीं होते. दिस इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट अबाउट ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, राइट. हमारे सबके फिंगरप्रिंट्स डिफरेंट होते हैं, ठीक है. तो फिंगरप्रिंट से मैच कर सकते हैं कि ये किसके फिंगरप्रिंट है. इसलिए आधार कार्ड पे जब भी जाओगे ना, तो फिंगरप्रिंट से दे कैन स्कैन एंड टेल यू कि ये तुम्हारा आधार है और ये सच है कि नहीं. क्योंकि फिंगरप्रिंट अयान का ही रहेगा, किसी और का अयान जैसे नहीं होगा. आर्यन का आर्यन से ही मिलेगा, किसी और से कभी नहीं मिलेगा. ओके. सो हर किसी के फिंगरप्रिंट्स डिफरेंट होते हैं. हर किसी का जो हाथ होता है इट इज डिफरेंट. ओके. एवरीबडीज हैंडप्रिंट इज यूनिक, एवरीबडीज फिंगरप्रिंट इज यूनिक. ठीक है, राइट. कभी किसी का सेम नहीं होता. ठीक है. सो दिस इज अ वेरी यूनिक थिंग अबाउट ऑल ऑफ अस. ओके. सो व्हाट नाउ वील ऑल डू इज, अगर हमारे पास पेंटिंग कलर्स हैं, वाटर कलर्स हैं, तो हम वाटर कलर अपने पाम पे लगाएंगे, ऐसे हाथ में कलर लगाएंगे और उसका प्रिंट हम अपने ड्राइंग बुक में बनाएंगे, अपनी नोटबुक में बनाएंगे. ठीक है. अगर हमारे पास वाटर कलर्स नहीं है तो हम अपने पेंसिल से वी कैन मेक अ आउटलाइन ऑफ आवर हैंड पेंसिल से एंड वी कैन कलर इट यूजिंग द कलर्स दैट वी हैव. अगर हमारे पास कलर्स भी नहीं है कोई भी, तो सिर्फ हम आउटलाइन बनाएंगे अपने पाम का. ठीक है. We will take 1 minute to do this. I would love if you will be able to do this using watercolors. थोड़ा messy होगा but it would be beautiful. So we'll all take the colors and we'll make a hand print. पूरे palm का print होना चाहिए, पूरे palm का print. We will make it on a sheet of paper. We will take 1 minute to do that and then give me a thumbs up once it's done. Like Sumit, I know कि थोड़ा सा messy हो जाएगा, but it's okay. Try to color all your fingers with different colors if you want. Okay. Pani lagana and then print it. Yes, Zoya Mahim. If any of you has any doubt in what we have to do, please raise your hand and ask. Yes, Zoya Mahim, what happened?
दीदी हमारे पास पेंट कलर नहीं है.
It's okay if you don't have paint color. You can use a pencil, make a outline of your palm, and you can color it. Different colors if you want, color it. Yes, Mohammed, you had some doubt? Cannot hear you, Mohammed. You're getting. आवाज नहीं आई, फिर से बोलो.
Yes, दीदी.
हाँ बोलो फिर से.
दीदी, we will make like this.
हाँ बस ऐसे पाम का बस आउटलाइन बना लो. कलर्स है तो कलर्स भी कर लो उसमें. यू कैन मेक different colors in different fingers. Yes, Shruti. You had something to ask? Ashwini? हमें पूरे पाम का बनाना है, ठीक है. पूरा का पूरा हैंड वी विल मेक. ओके. Yes, I can see Sumit doing it very beautifully. I'll spotlight few of you so that we can see what others are doing as well. I am spotlighting. I can add spotlight to only those whose videos are on. ठीक है, तो जिसका video off है, I won't be able to spotlight you. So if you are doing it, show it to me. I can see Prachi doing it very well. Manjushri doing it too. Swaragni doing it. Once you are done making your handprint, give me a thumbs up. I will. Yes, Dhanshri. I'll also take photograph of you all doing it so well. Okay.
साइकिल पे घुमा है हाईवे पे मोटर साइकिल भगा के देख स्पीड में तुझको अगर सर्दी लगे तो सीट पे पीछे लड़की बिठा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा
Okay.
गोकुल की राधा चली
Okay. I hope that सबके fingerprints बन गए हैं. If it's all done, can you all give me a thumbs up? And जिसके hands गंदे हो गए, you all can go and wash your hands quickly if you want. I can see Ayan has done it. I can see Sumit is doing it. Sumit is trying to make it colorful, and I'm loving it. Vinayak, yours is done. हो गया? Okay. It's a bit messy. I can get you. No problem. अगर नहीं हुआ है थोड़ा क्लमजी हो रहा है नहीं समझ आ रहा है then make a outline using a pencil. It's okay. Okay, now Ayan is making it colorful as well. Great. Minoli, did you do it? हो गया? Did you make an outline? I could see Sameer drawing the outline using pencil. Sameer, if you have colors, please make it colorful. Mau, it is very beautiful. I loved how Mau made it. See. Mau, can you please explain to the class how you did it so quickly and so beautiful?
यस दीदी.
कैसे किया इतना सुंदर?
फर्स्ट पहले मैं पूरा हाथ को पानी लगा दिया.
हाँ
उसके बाद पिंक कलर को बीच में लगा दिया और बाजू में दो दो कलर लगा दिया. फिर वो सूख
Right.
गए थे. फिर मैं उसके ऊपर फिर से पानी डाला. पानी डाल के थोड़ा गीला किया. फिर उसमें बुक में फिर ये कर दिया, प्रिंट कर दिया.
Okay, great, amazing, very beautiful. Your hand has come out. Very good, Mau. Anybody else could make it? Ayan is doing it quickly. Ayan, no problem, do it. I'll give you 1 more minute. Show me your notebooks once it is done. Manjushri's is also very beautiful. See, Manjushri has also done beautifully. Ayan has done it already with 1 color. Now he's making colorful. Fiza has almost done it. I'm adding spotlight to Fiza as well. I can see her hand beautifully. Great. Anybody else? Piyush has done it also. Okay. Saleha is doing it. Vinayak has done it. Great. Lovely. सलेहा बिल्कुल फोकस से. ओके, बहुत ध्यान से सलेहा कलर लगा रही है अपने हैंड्स को. Okay, great. Guys, we'll quickly come back. We have to do आगे का activity as well. So if you're not done it yet, please finish it. Yes, you can use your hand outline as well. No problem if you are using an outline. That's okay. ठीक है. I'm removing everybody's spotlight. Very beautifully done, and I'll give the award to Mau for this, for doing it so beautifully at first. Okay, great. Good, beautiful Harshada, very beautiful. Okay. Great. Quickly come back, guys. Give me a thumbs up if it is done. Mohammed ka bhi very beautiful. I can see beautiful colors. It's okay if there are no watercolors. Prachi, yours is also beautiful. You can color it using crayons or simple colors. Agar colors nahi hai, to just make a sketch outline of your hands. That is also good. Okay. Great. Those videos are off. I cannot see you all. So please give me a thumbs up quickly if we can move forward with the activity. Beautiful, Harshada. Those who have done it with watercolors, go and wash your hands if you want to very quickly. Come back once you have washed your hands, okay? Beautiful, Vinayak. Very beautiful. Okay, great. Okay. We can also show our notebooks of the hands that you have made, and I'll take a photo of your hands as well once it is done. सब अपने वीडियो के आगे just put your hands out there जो तुम लोगों ने draw किए हैं या paint किए हैं, and I'll take a photo as well. Oh यार, I am feeling कि मुझे भी ये करना चाहिए था. I'll also do after the class. Okay, great. So switch on your videos on the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I'll take a photo. जिनका आ गया उनका photo I'll take. Okay, great. Okay, amazing. It's okay, Sumit. अभी you have washed your hands. Just the photo जहाँ पे आपका hand आपने print किया है. Now, as I told you, सबके hand prints अलग-अलग होते हैं, fingerprints अलग होते हैं, हम सबके hands भी अलग होते हैं. Each of us have different fingerprints, handprints. Okay, this is your beautiful hand. Now, what we all have to do next, we'll all listen very carefully कि आगे अब हमें क्या करना है. ठीक है? All of you focus here. ठीक है? सब सुनेंगे. ठीक है? Now we all have 4 fingers, 1 thumb, and this palm. So 6 things we can mention. So 4 fingers, this thumb, and your palm. ठीक है? So think of 6 things that are unique only to you. ठीक है? It can be your physical traits, like you can have beautiful brown eyes. Some of you might have green eyes, blue eyes. Black eyes are also beautiful. So it could be any physical trait of yours, any character trait of yours, कोई भी character trait हो सकता है, any strength or any likes, ठीक है, something that is unique to you. 6 things. Think of 6 things, and on each finger, पहले first 4 thing you will write on the fingers, 1 you can write on the thumb, and 1 you can write on the palm. So as 6 things you have to write about yourself on this hand. Click a photo and send it on our WhatsApp group. ठीक है? We will take 5 minutes to do this. ठीक है? Who will repeat? Harshada, can you quickly repeat what we'll do?
Yes, Didi, we have to take our 6 fingers and we have to do
6
on
fingers
them.
जो होते, there are 4 fingers, 1 thumb and a palm. So 6 things.
And we
Okay.
have to write our physical
Hmm.
traits on the fingers and send photos.
Not only physical traits, it could be any physical trait of yours, any quality of yours, any strength of yours, anything that you like, anything of you that is different from others that you think, anything that is unique. Okay, so write ऐसे 6 things, think of 6 things that are unique to you and write on each of these finger, thumb and the palm, and take a photo and share it on the group. ठीक है? Did we all understand? If not, please raise your hand. Yes, Prachi?
We have to write in our
No, not in our hands. The ones that we have drawn. Okay, Shruti, very beautiful, colorful. Shruti has written her name also. Very beautiful. So अभी जो हमने बनाया है ना, draw किया है, वहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे. ठीक है? Okay? Did we all get it? So think of these things and write. Like for Ayan, I know he can cook very well. Very well he can cook. So he can write that he is good at cooking. Cooking is one of the things that is distinguishing him from others. Something that is a good trait. Like Sumit is a very smart, street smart, very sharp brain Sumit has. So he can write that. Okay, Shruti, I love how colorful this is. Okay. So Abhishek, what happened? Can you unmute yourself and tell me what happened?
what?
Huh?
What?
Did you draw your hand on the paper? Yes or no? So draw a hand, draw your hand on a paper, and you have to write 6 things about yourself that makes you unique, that makes you Abhishek. Okay? Like Mau can write that how beautifully she dances, how good Vinayak is at maths, how good Dhanshri is in public speaking or speaking English. So all of you, how good Zoya is in drawing. So Zoya can write drawing. She makes very beautiful drawings. So many of you make such beautiful drawings. So write that. Ria can play instruments. So this is one thing that I know about you that I can relate you with. तो मुझे याद रहता है कि okay, जैसे अश्विनी का I can say she is like very hardworking. Okay, I like how Ashwini works so hard. So hardworking can be one trait that Ashwini has. She has a very clear goal. She works very hard. Okay, so सब बच्चों का I have something that is in my mind. Okay, because that particular thing distinguishes you from other students. So think of such things and write. Okay, like Manjushri is very hardworking. She's like very dedicated and hardworking. She can write that. Okay, Saleha draws beautifully. Krishna does so many things so beautifully. So many things that all of you have that is different from others. Note down these 6 things. Yes, you can write anything that comes to your mind. We'll take 3 more minutes to do that, and then we'll take a photo of it and share it on the group. Okay, Sameer, did you write what? Sameer, did you complete it? केदार इसमें लिखना भी है बच्चे. अश्विनी, write it and then share. Okay, write it. Mahim, Zoya, पहले 6 things you have to write, not 1. 6 things you have to write. Write it on each of the finger. Finger के बाहर लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Write it on each of the finger, on the palm, on your thumb. Yes, Mau.
दीदी हमारे फिंगर्स के आजू बाजू लिखना है क्या?
नहीं, अंदर लिख दो ना. अंदर you can write.
अंदर तो वाटर कलर है ना, इसलिए बाहर लिखा तो.
बाहर लिख दो if you want, but अंदर लिखोगे तो it would be good. थोड़ा सूख जाए then you write. Think जब तक and then you can write.
Okay.
We are making our own hand, right? Okay. Those who have already shared, if you have not written your qualities, जैसे Mahim, Zoya, you have to write also, है ना, अंदर about yourself, 6 things about yourself, and then share it. So I'm deleting these photos for now. Please write it and then reshare. Yes, Ashwini?
Didi, I want to ask that only where we want to write that only.
on the hand that we have drawn. ठीक है, हम अपने खुद की who am I am writing this, हम अपने हाथों पे लिख रहे हैं कि हम कौन हैं, right? Yes, Mahim, Zoya, is your doubt clear now? You had something to ask?
I don't understand what to do.
You don't understand what to do? आपने अपना hand draw कर लिया, right? अब
Yes.
चारों fingers, एक thumb और अपना palm, ठीक है? So 6 जगह हो गई. So you have to write 6 things about you that makes you you. मतलब Zoya को Zoya कौन बनाता है? What are the 6 qualities that Zoya has? Like Zoya has long hairs, very beautiful long hairs. Zoya can draw very well. So these are 2 things I know about Zoya. और 4 चीजें सोचो जो तुम्हें सबसे अलग बनाती हैं या जो तुम्हें तुम बनाती है, and write down. ठीक है? So one thing you'll write it on index finger, other thing you can write on the middle finger, then you can write it on little finger, ring finger. सब में एक चीज thumb पे लिख सकते हो, and one thing you can write on your palm. So write 6 things like this about you. Okay? Okay, Zoya, Mahim?
Okay, Didi.
And then you can photo click करके you can share. I can see Harshada has written it very beautifully. Okay. Now I cannot see Harshada's screen. No problem. I can see Mohammed has written something. Mohammed, what have you written? What are the 6 things that you have written? Can you please share?
दीदी मैंने ना 3 things लिखा.
May your things likho.
I good in English and I good in drawing and I good in cooking and I good in learning maths and I good in learning speaking in English.
Okay, so this is something that Muhammad thinks defines Muhammad. So Muhammad has written this. Okay, there are other things that can define you as well. Anything that is your physical trait, आप कैसे दिखते हो वो भी अलग हो सकता है ना. किसी किसी की आंखें सुंदर हो सकती हैं, डिफरेंट कलर की हो सकती हैं. किसी किसी के लंबे बाल हो सकते हैं, लाइक अश्विनी's hair, beautiful hair. Yes, Ashwini.
BBC, I have written like this. Wait.
Didi, can you see?
No, I cannot see Ashwini. Please click a photo and send it on the group as well.
Didi,
Ah, nice. Nice. I cannot see what you have written, but you have written it nicely. So take a photo of it and share it on the group. Cannot read it, Ashwini, still. Okay, Harshada, yours also I could not read. So we will quickly take 1 more minute to complete our write up and then take a photo, share it on the group. Thank you, Prachi. Thank you, Harshada, for sharing. Mau, please take a photo and share it on the group so that I can read, okay? Okay. Take 1 minute. 1:34 पे we'll all submit our drawings on the group. Whose quality you would want to appreciate? Please download the photo. और फिर उसी पे you can type what quality of your friend you appreciate the most. किसी भी एक friend की. Okay? So we'll take 2 minutes to do that. And I'll be waiting for some beautiful responses. And I will also share what I appreciate the most about people who have shared. Okay? But give me some time to do that. I'll share for everybody. But you have to do it for one person in the class. Okay? Mau, what do you have to do? Can you quickly repeat?
Yes, Didi, we have to download our friends friends print. Then we want to see that what is written my friend. Then Didi, then भूल गया.
Then we have to appreciate. हमें कोई एक चीज की तारीफ करनी है, कम से कम एक चीज की, ज्यादा चीजों की भी तारीफ कर सकते हैं. ठीक है?
Didi,
Yes, Mau.
Didi, can I say what I am written?
Okay.
First, I have written dancing. Then I am written singing. Then cooking. Then playing. Then eating.
Okay, so these are the 5 things that Mau has written about herself. Anything else?
More और एक है वो studying है.
Okay, great. Okay, thank you so much, Mau, for sharing. अभी किसी एक friend का देखो and you have to share an appreciation on the group itself. ठीक है? So I should see what appreciation you are doing for the other on the group. So quickly do that. Yes, Prachi.
Didi, I am appreciating that sadhana.
You want to appreciate Sadhana? Please write on the group only. तो group पे टाइप करो क्या appreciate करते हो उसके बारे में. Type it on the group. What appreciation you have to do, लिखो group पे. ठीक है? Ashwini, like nice is a very like umbrella type of nice. कुछ specific. What Mau has written about herself, like you like how Mau dances, so you can write how you appreciate Mau's dance. Okay, so one thing that the person has written, you have to write it properly. Okay? So write it properly. Thank you, Kedar, for sharing. Please share appreciation to one of your friend. And see that जिसका अगर किसी एक ने कर दिया है, if one of you have responded to one person's hands, then please choose someone else. All of us are friends here, right? तो किसी का और का choose करके भी you can write. ठीक है. In this way you can also come to know about other people as well. ठीक है. Sameer, please share on the group. Aryan, not Ayan. Riya, Yash, Kedar has already done. Saleha. Okay, thank you, Dhanshri. Thank you, Ashwini. Thank you, Ayan. Others as well. Quickly do that. Sumit, waiting for yours. Zoya, Maheen, please share. Thank you, Karthik. But Karthik, I want you to be specific to any one person. Choose one person's hand and appreciate that person. It could be anyone. Thank you, Fiza. Shruti. सोच रही है श्रुति किसको अप्रिशिएट करूं मैं. Such a difficult task. Yes, Shruti.
दीदी व्हाट?
किसको अप्रिशिएट करने वाली हो तुम?
अश्विनी.
Oh, so Ashwini का hand ढूंढ रही हो. Okay, ढूंढो. Great. Find somebody's hand. Oh, Saleha says Zoya's long hair is one thing that Saleha likes. I like Zoya's hairs too. Very beautiful long hair Zoya has. Saleha, Ashwini, your hairs are also there. Very beautiful hair you have got. Ayan's hair are also nice. Huh? Big, good hair. Sumit ने तो सारे hairs ही हटा लिए थे पिछले साल. Okay. Other things as well, not only hairs. सब बोलेंगे दीदी is obsessed with hairs. Okay. Thank you guys for sharing it on the group. Very beautiful drawings are coming up and I am liking all of them. Yes, Harshada is good at drawing. Thank you, Fiza. Okay, I see a lot of hand raised. I'll take give you one more minute to do that. Sainath, I haven't seen your photo coming on the group. Please do share on the group. Minoli, I haven't seen yours as well. Please share on the group. Thank you, Maheen, Zoya. Shruti का सबसे ज़्यादा colorful दिख रहा है, and I love how Shruti has written her name also. That shows that Shruti is creative as well. So many qualities that you all have. Great. ठीक है. Good. So one more minute I am giving you all to share. I am not at all surprised. I will tell you one thing. When I joined the school and when I came to know about all of you, I was so pleasantly surprised at how talented you all are as a class. सबको सब कुछ आता है, कितना कुछ आता है. And जब मैं 6th class में थी, I could not even think of doing a lot of things that you all are doing. So well done. I so appreciate you all. And this clap and this heart is from me to you. Very talented you guys are. ठीक है. I'm still waiting for some of the people जिनका नाम मैं 4 बार ले चुकी हूँ, but they are not sending their hands on the group. Very secretive people. Those who do not find it comfortable to share on the group can share it to me personally as well. Okay. Great. Sameer, can you see my screen? Can you quickly give me a thumbs up if you can see my screen? Sameer. Thank you. Please share your hand as well. Okay. I will also read what you have written about yourself and share my feedback to you. Before that, I want one of you to quickly read what is written on the screen. One of you, please raise your hand and quickly read what is there on the screen. Okay, Dhanshri, you have read a lot in class today. I want others to read as well. Piyush, would you like to come off mute and read the first quote that is written in Hindi? Piyush.
होत्र
हाँ.
होत्र की लीकीरो पर मत जा है गलीब गलीब नसीब उन्हें के भी होता है जिनके होत्र नहीं होता।
नहीं होते। हाथों की लकीरों पर मत जा ए गालिब, नसीब उनके भी होते हैं जिनके हाथ नहीं होते। Can anybody in the class explain me the meaning of what is written? Anybody in the class who can
They are,
explain?
Didi, I can tell.
Yes, Piyush.
Didi, they are telling that anyone not have a hand, they have not that nasib mean
Right.
that on future what happened.
Exactly. Thank you, Piyush. Thank you so much for reading and then explaining as well. Anybody who would want to add to what Piyush just said? Yes, Aleha.
दीदी इसका मतलब हाथों की लकीरों पर मतलब दीदी मतलब जिसको हाथ नहीं होते तो उनका नसीब भी अच्छा हो सकता है।
Right. Okay. Great. Thank you so much, Saleha. Generally, what we do is कि मेरी किस्मत में नहीं है या मेरी किस्मत ही खराब है या we सब कुछ हम टाल देते हैं and we give it to destiny, to our किस्मत, but और कहते हैं कि मेरे हाथों की लकीरों में ये नहीं लिखा है इसलिए मुझे नहीं मिलेगा and all these things are bullshit, right? This is all rubbish. क्योंकि जिन लोगों के हाथ नहीं होते उनकी क्या किस्मत नहीं होती, उनकी भी होती है. So your destiny is in your hands and you can create your own destiny. Okay, so whatever we have written about ourselves in our hands, there are always things that we want to improve in ourselves. Okay, there are skills, there are traits, there are strengths that we want to develop, there are things that we want to do for ourselves. Okay, तो अभी हम हर हफ्ते we used to write weekly goals, right? हम इस week हम क्या करेंगे? We used to write that every Monday. After today's activity, I want you to take your destiny in your hand and I want you to think कि what skills, what traits, what strength that you want to develop in yourself. ठीक है, इस साल किस चीज पे तुम काम करना चाहते हो, what strength that you want to develop, right? It could be anything that you want to work on this year. ठीक है, तो think of that thing that you want to add in your life. It can be like waking up early in the morning, sleeping early at night, or doing regular exercise, or studying daily, reading. It could be working on your maths, it could be working on your science, it could be anything. It could be working on your friends, talking to your friends daily. कुछ भी चीज हो सकती है. So what is one thing that you want to develop in yourself or you want to improve about yourself and what you will work for this year? So think of one thing and write. जहाँ पे भी आपने ये hand draw किया है उसके बाद में आप लिखो कि मेरे अंदर ये 5-6 चीजें हैं जो मुझे सबसे अलग बनाती है. अब मैं इसमें क्या ऐड कर सकता हूँ या क्या ऐड कर सकती हूँ जो मुझे इम्प्रूव करे. तो इस साल के लिए you will write that one thing for yourself in the sheet. ठीक है, are we clear what we have to do? Fiza, can you repeat?
Yes, दीदी.
क्या करना है हमें अब?
We want to do inside of, we draw the hand, inside of that we want to write about the what we can improve in our life.
Right. Okay. Thank you, Fiza. So अभी हमने hand पे लिखा the 6 things that define us, six things that we are. Now we will write what we want to add to make ourselves better. ठीक है? So it could be anything that you want to add. It could be any skill, any habit that you want to put, anything that you want to improve. Write that thing. Anything that you will work on this year. So this will be your goal for the year. So write one thing that you want to improve on this year near the hand that you have made. Okay, so you are creating your own destiny now, right? So think of it and write it. And then once you are done, I'm not asking you to share this. You can keep it to yourself. This is for you to refer back. Once you have written, give me a thumbs up. Okay, so now we will take a quick not a quick break. We'll take a longer break. We'll take a 2-3 minutes का आराम से break. You all can relax, dance, drink water, eat something. Close this SEL wala work, and then we will come back. I know थोड़ा सा extend होगा class, okay? थोड़ा सा extend होगा class. हमने अपना content का कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है. So if you want, we can take a longer, like 5 minutes break if you want. Go, you can switch off your video, थोड़ा सा घूम के आ जाओ. Freshen yourself up. I will not take more than 15 minutes of the class. So once you have taken this break, then we will start. Thank you, Zoya, for typing that. Very cute cats, I can see. Not that I love cats, okay? I am a dog lover, but I like the cat GIFs. Mohammed, thoda sa break, stretch, exercise. Go drink water. Jump if you want. Jumping is also a good way. Blink your eyes as well. बहुत देर से screen पे देख रहे हो, so blink your eyes as well. Who can dance like this cat? Can anybody dance like this cat? Ashwini can. And who can sleep like this cat? I can sleep like that cat. Okay, I can sleep that. Now you cannot annotate. Clearly, ठीक है. Acha, now annotate and tell me who can do what. Okay, who would like to do the first cat जैसे, or who would like to dance like the second cat. ठीक है, so I'm enabling annotations and tell me. See, for me, I am like, I will always be this cat. Never this one. I don't know how to dance. Like all of us are like, हमको सुला दो, कोई किसी से डांस करने नहीं बोलो. Okay. Clearing. I love Zoom, na? See, I can disable annotations. अब कोई नहीं कर पाएगा. ऐसे क्लासरूम में नहीं कर सकते. I am so nervous in a classroom. तुम लोग चुप ही